Haduh palat arpusan hajar ngot nonghikai ha Meghalaya kin haban pas ya ka teacher eligibility test TET hapo kalai puai terik unailar arja arpnyo kenang banyat ket kum ka hukum jong ka yeng bishar Supreme Court. Ka Supreme Court ha ka shtarik nailur arja arpusan kala hukum babaro kinohikai ki baladan ha kam ni ki ban sarung kam ki de ban pas ya ka TET na ka benta ka elementary education ong umintri katanan puli puthi uba Lahkmen Rymbui haba pentep baka ka hukum katrikam na dukis nam baladam. Baro kinohikai na dukas ni batongkam ki bampat pas ya ka TET kin habanya lebat pas ya ka ula ong haba benrap bawat kitu ki basa satang sansnam haga kamru kila syakan thop lang balada kim pas ya ka exam kin syak hanglat ban kiu kerdan. Katanat kalapan mi ya kajing penbana berkajing penrung kerteng na kabenta ka exam TET bakar pang kalaya syakman. Ngakermen babaro kinohikai kideben apply bat pas ya kana exam kanang balada mi kino gijing hadin habut kinam syak ta satya ong uba Lahkmen. Kajing penbana balapan mi da ka Director of Educational Research and Training kakong JU Karpuri hagkat pratrik leber. Kalapan te baka jing apply online na kabenta ka Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test M10 kan pelit nadu ka arpulai trik leber hadu ka kendai trik yayong hadu ka porsan bajajan mit berkasni ban le ya ka test ka la ban long ha ka arpundai trik jemang.
There are about 25,000 teachers which have in-service teachers which do not have the TET qualification. So, and the Honorable Supreme Court on the 1st of September 2025 have mandated that all the teachers, be the in-service teachers or in-service or the future recruit, they should have the TET qualification for elementary education. So, based on this, so 25,000 plus teachers, they didn't have TET. And this order is effect retrospectively, it's not prospectively. So that means all the teachers, since their appointment, those who don't have TET, they have to appear and pass. And that also they have to pass within the 31st of August 2027, within 2 years. And those who have only 5 years of service, also they have to pass. But if they didn't pass, they cannot get promotion. So taking into consideration of that, so we take that that as in-service teachers, they are qualified to appear TET. So the notification have been out. The process of enrollment or applied is on, and the date also have been fixed. So I wish that all the teachers should apply, should appear, and should pass, so that if there is any future complication, it will not affect them.